Hello and welcome, Greg here from Honda Stockport, sharing with you today our latest arrival to stock in the form of this gorgeous looking Skoda Kodiaq 7-seater. This particular large SUV is available here in the highly equipped SEL trim with the exterior finish in business grey metallic, featuring full LED headlights with daytime running lights as well as the stylish 5-spoke silver alloy wheels to contrast the paint. Additionally, full LED taillights will give your Kodiaq a distinctive look at night, and for extra convenience there is a power-operated tailgate revealing a cavernous load area. Here you can see how it looks with 50/50 folding split rear seats. You can fold them up completely, but there's plenty of legroom available if you have a large family. Best of all, parcel shelf can be hidden underneath here, and at the press of a button you can close down the boot. Passengers in the rear will also enjoy loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3 with part cloth and suede upholstery. In the front, the decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin, as well as front bucket sport seats with the optionally upgraded driver's seat, which features electric support and lumbar and memory. The leather-up multifunction steering wheel will certainly appeal to the driver and also features cruise control and speed limiter. Controlling the trip computer can display digital speedometer, but also a number of active safety systems such as city emergency braking. Sat-nav guidance, music and all your Bluetooth contacts can easily be operated from the wheel when on the move. The upgraded 9.2-inch infotainment touchscreen is a joy to use and also features gesture control should you find it useful. There are also various shortcuts, and for all your music there is FM and DAB digital radio with additional media source inputs such as those displayed on the screen. Additionally, you can also fully benefit from SmartLink, which will unlock both AppleCarPlay and AndroidAuto smartphone projection. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy for Bluetooth and will allow you to stay in touch with family and friends. And other great features will also incorporate various vehicle settings, allowing you to personalize the Skoda to truly make it your own. Scrolling for various functions. The built-in sat-nav will also ensure you never ever get lost and suggest a number of points of interest, and there's also live traffic updates on offer to make sure you don't get stuck in nasty traffic jams. Other great features on this vehicle will also include an adjustable sound system which will appeal to the music fans amongst you, as well as an adjustable drive mode selection prioritizing economy or a more sporty spirited drive, whilst the optionally upgraded rear view camera of wide angle lens will also be on offer, fully supported by front and rear sensor. Whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate can be operated from the screen, or physical rotary dials which further benefit from a winter pack, heated front seats which will come in handy for the cold months ahead of us. Storage for your device, USB chargers are also available, and a bespoke off-road mode for the 4-wheel drive system.